So guys, as we are getting closer to OnePlus 6 unveiling, we've offered more teasers about the upcoming flagship. It also a time when fake pictures claiming they show the OnePlus 6 make headlines. However, the newest picture showing the OnePlus 6 is 100% accurate since it comes directly from the handset maker. OnePlus is teasing its top tier smartphone but doesn't offer us a clear look at the device. As you can see in the picture above, the OnePlus 6 is placed under the OnePlus 5T, so it's harder to tell anything about it. So guys, if you look closely, it does seem like the antenna bands are confined to the metal frame and don't slip over onto the phone's rear. That would sort of confirm the fact that the OnePlus 6 will have a glass back, adhering to one of the latest trends in the flagship series. We already know it will come with a notched screen, a shot of which leaked just a couple of days ago, and also the alert slider, long a staple of OnePlus 6 design, seems to be missing or at least relocated compared to where it's at in the OnePlus 5T, with the SIM card slot now taking that place. Guys, from this photo the OnePlus 6 appears wider than its predecessor, but that's assuming they were placed exactly on top of each other. We wouldn't be so sure about that, since there's also the possibility that the company wanted to show off its side and couldn't do it this well if the phone was properly placed in such a way that the OnePlus 5T would cover it completely. Given its past antics, we expect OnePlus to keep teasing its next device for a few more weeks, building up to the big announcement. I will cover each and everything related to this device, so make sure to hit the subscribe button for the next video. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.